Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you a review of Gama model number 4 fountain pen, and it has two variants, one is green and another one is maroon. And in this pen we have double zero nib, and there is no brand name in the nib, and in our website you can find brill nibs as of now. Double zero nib, even brill double zero nib is very difficult to find in the market because that production has stopped long back. And as of now we have that model, and if you want a replacement nib, and then you can find that nib in our website. uh, so let me try to write how it feels. Yeah, wow, it writes very smoothly. One of the best pen shops in India. Okay, the quality of nib is really good, and we have a big barrel so it can hold a good volume of ink. So please lubricate the threads with Vaseline each and every time you fill the ink, so that the life of the threads will come more, and in long run ink leakage due to the thread will be minimized. So there are two variants in this pen in colors. If you have any queries, please leave us in the comments so that we can help you better. Yeah, thanks for watching.